YouTube? This your boy J Diggy 92 coming at y'all with another motherfucking unboxing, nigga. I don't know the last time I've been on a streak of unboxings like this. I think this has been damn near 7 straight unboxings.
Damn,
if I'm
son.
not mistaken, it's 6 or 7, nigga. We going for the gold, nigga. But I think all things have to come to an end. So this might be the last unboxing for a minute because I need to chill the fuck out. But yeah, man. Today we got another unboxing from the homies at StockX, man. You don't fuck with StockX, you playing yourself, because them niggas, they straight. They don't have a return policy, but I mean they straight. They finessing your ass like goats, my nigga. Goddamn. But nah, man. Today we got a shoe that I wanted for a minute, right? As soon as it came out, these were hard. I wanted them so bad, and I couldn't get them simply because they wasn't a US release. This was like, if I'm not mistaken, this was like an overseas release only, I think. Hold up, let me Google some shit so I ain't looking stupid, nigga. Jump cut. Yeah, so like I said, it was an overseas release, released in Europe only. So your boy was kind of mad, and then like when I was gonna go ahead and pay that resale price, nigga, they wanted too much for a dead stock pair at first. So, you know, I thought about getting the used from GOAT. That's what we was fucking with GOAT. But you know what? I'm glad I waited, because I ended up getting a dead stock pair from StockX. And y'all will see in the review why it's good to wait. But I have y'all waiting long enough. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing. Now, we haven't seen an unboxing or a shoe from this company, well, this brand, on this channel for quite some time. I don't even remember the last time I bought a pair of these. To keep it 100 with you, I don't even remember. But after hearing that, y'all should already know what brand I'm talking about. If you don't, you're about to find out. And y'all know my reasoning behind it, simply because, like I said, I got tired of wearing these. These meaning, well, Jordans. I got tired of wearing Jordans, but niggas couldn't help it. I had to pull the trigger on these because they're one of my Grails. And yes, I have Grails that's newer and Grails that's older, nigga. Grails is a shoe I really want, not because, oh, it got history. Nigga, fuck that shit. If I really want that bitch, I'm putting it on the Grail list, nigga. So, today, we gonna do it all together. Move the papers out the way. The good old facts and the stickers and all that other shit that StockX give. Damn, these Jones, I can smell them out the box. Smell them bitches out the box. Damn. Luxurious. Today we got, let me see. Ooh, these motherfucking nice, man. Ooh. Today we got the motherfucker. Damn, these bitches hard. I know y'all niggas like, just show the fucking shoe, stupid. But today we got the, hopefully y'all can see that, the motherfucking London 10s, bro. Like, and I tell y'all, I really wanted these. And I'm not like a big gray guy, but as soon as I seen these bitches, these had to come home with the guard. Now, people shit on 10s a lot. I ain't gonna hold it. I know y'all can barely hear, so hold on. Alright, so like I was saying, I know people tend to shit on Jordan 10s like they ain't shit, and they a shitty ass shoe. And this, honestly, this shoe is really, I ain't gonna fake, I missed that Jordan smell. This shoe is really shit on. And when I say shit on, it's like people downplay it, put this as like their least favorite Jordan. Like if a new colorway come out, they don't fuck with it, they not copping it. This joint was sit around. Perfect example, the Shadow 10s, them bitches still in malls. And them hoes came out in like what, 2010 originally? Or like sometime, I forgot. If I'm not, I don't fucking remember. I might not have even been alive when they first came out. But people shit on Jordan 10s a lot. So I'm one of the people that actually love Jordan 10s because for one, they are comfortable as fuck. And two, there are some clean ass, classic ass colorways. And just because niggas don't fuck with them, it makes it 10 times easier to cop these if you really want them. But yeah, the London 10s, my first thoughts on them, they are a lot cleaner in person. I'm not gonna hold you. The materials is okay. It's not like amazing. Like the quality is alright. It's like it's a little stiffness, but this one patch though, I don't know what the hell. It's like this one part in between these seams. Like they upgraded some shit. Like what the hell? Like it's soft. It's buttery right here, motherfucker. And then the rest of the shoe just ass, but well compared to that one part. But is it like this on this one? No, it's just this one piece. They was like, we ran out of ass material. Give them some good backboard leather, nigga. Like, I don't get it, but these do look way tougher in person, and I'm digging this like crackle gray area. Y'all will see what I'm talking about when I say crackle gray area in the review. But man, I wanted these so bad, and y'all already know how the review gonna go. I'm gonna go over sizing, all that good shit. Y'all know what it's hitting for. Y'all know what y'all get when y'all get a finesse guard review. But I actually got these in a size 11. I can't wear size 11 in 10s because 10s are dumb comfortable for me. So I can finesse an 11. But yeah, man, these are the Jordan 10 London Jones. Full review coming out this Saturday. If you're seeing this right now and it's Monday, you one of my faithful viewers, nigga. First off, shout outs to you for fucking with it. It's one person that always view my shit first before I could even I can view my shit to make sure my edits are straight. It's one person. So shout outs to you, whoever you is. Put your name in the comment section. I ain't talking about you, Savage Beauty. I'm talking about others, because it's one person that always view my shit first. And I don't know if it's the same one person or it would be multiple one persons, but that didn't make sense. But we gonna roll with it, you know what I'm saying? So put it in the comment section. I won't give you a shout out in the next video or when I do the full review or something. But yeah, man, this is the London 10s. I'm rapping. I'm trying to make sure my unboxings don't go over 10 minutes. We don't know if that's really gonna work because y'all know how I be. But yeah, man, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, that like, subscribe so you can join the motherfucking God Squad. Y'all already know we the best squad on YouTube, man. And if your finesse game strong, you don't go wrong. Y'all already know that. If y'all been rocking with me for a while, y'all know that OG ass saying. Nigga, that saying was around before we was gods in this motherfucker. But yeah, man, London 10s, these are hard. You want to follow me on anything? I don't know why I just plugged that shit. I don't know. I'm just psyched I got one of my Grails. You want to follow me on anything, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snaps, and Snapchat. All of that at JDiggy90 motherfucker too. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Shout out to that art page, Finesse God Masterpieces. Go ahead and cop y'all some dope ass art. Yeah, man, I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for watching, supporting, and sharing. All that good stuff, man. And I'm your boy, JDiggy92, aka the Finesse God, aka Finesse Kick. And like I always say, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. And I will see y'all when I see y'all.